Hi everyone, my name is Caleb Janssens and I just want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my reviews. Today we will be reviewing the VX Gaming Warborn RGB mechanical keyboard. The Warborn is one of the flagship keyboards that was released alongside the brand relaunch and redesign last year. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the review of the VX Gaming Warborn keyboard. First off, of course, is the design. The Warborn is an 80% keyboard with 96 keys and one knob. The design is incredibly compact and will take up minimal desk space on your desk. This is perfect if you are someone like me who is currently working with limited space. Now, let's get into what really matters on a keyboard, the keys. This keyboard features mechanical switches that provide a tactile and satisfying typing experience. With a switch rating of 50 million presses, you can trust that this keyboard will withstand even the most intense gaming sessions without wearing out. For those of you who appreciate the audio experience of a satisfying tap, 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 here is an example of what you can expect. One of the standout features of the VX Gaming Warborn mechanical keyboard is its customizable RGB lighting. You can easily adjust the RGB lighting to match your mood or gaming aesthetic. The knob also allows you to control audio levels on the fly, giving you complete control over your gaming experience without you ever having to leave the game. I found the knob an interesting addition and found myself using it almost exclusively when adjusting the volume, rather than attempting to use my speakers or headphones. Moving on, the keyboard features a 1.5 meter cable which gives enough distance for most setups. Mine is rather unorthodox, but I still found the cable length sufficient. And as a gamer who prefers wired models, I can't find much to complain about. And when it comes to compatibility, the Warborn covers all of the basics. Whether you're gaming on Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8 or 10, Android, Linux or Mac, you can rest assured that this keyboard will work seamlessly with your setup. With its durable mechanical keys, customizable RGB lighting, versatile compatibility and affordable price, it's definitely a keyboard to consider. If you enjoyed this video or found this review in any way helpful, then please leave a like on this video. If you're on the lookout for reviews on any upcoming tech, games or movies, then please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. If you have any additional questions about the keyboard, then please comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.